Yeah, she was sitting next to me. Yeah, remember she took your seat?
Do you hear that? There's like this weird honking noise. And it sounded like a goose, but it wasn't a goose. Because the only place where this goose is at is over there by the, like, pond. Over there by the church. Like, over there by...
Because see, what it is now you have more freedom. You ain't got to go up there every day and every day and every day, you know what I'm saying? They're giving you a little bit of rope. They want to see what you're going to do with that. And a lot of people will go back out, you know? Like that girl said behind us, you know, boredom. He gets bored and that's what he wants to use, you know? Because he don't have classes to go to or whatever. I don't give a fuck what you ain't got to go to. You find something to do, you know? Like a random, maybe.
He's scared.
Say hi on Monday, you're gonna be dirty on Friday. So why even entertain the thought? And that's how they get violated. They think, oh yeah, I can clean up before.
I'm gonna end the video right now.
Right after I get out of there and not use it for the rest of the day, I'll be good by Friday.
Please, like this video and watch the video. Because, there were 2 lights. I really like the car is still shining. And one of the house lights, like just shut off.
It's kind of like
and
that,
one
you
of
know,
the lights
surprise
just
you.
like went off on like right by a house. So please like this video and watch it, please.
Shut up,
No, there's 2 things right there.